Hi YouTube, this is Felicia Loves and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you came. This is my St. Patrick's Day hutch tour. I'm just going to show you all the details of my hutch, and it's very non-traditional St. Patrick's Day colors. So, are you following me on Instagram? If not, you should be. If you watch my video, Rea Do and RaeDunn, you can go out to my Instagram page and vote on what RaeDunn items you are feeling at the moment and that you like. So go ahead and subscribe to me on my Instagram channel. Because I'm doing non-traditional colors for St. Patrick's Day, which is pink and green, I did a couple of DIYs from Dollar Tree, and I kind of made a couple things myself to kind of bring it all together to make my hutch cohesive. As you can see, I pictured some mushrooms that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Of course, they were $1 each, and I spray painted them a pink called Candy Pink and an ivory color that I'm showing you. I spared you by not showing you the details of me actually spray painting because we all know how to spray paint. I also picked up these little cute gnomes. They are the perfect color green for this hutch. The green that she uses is not the typical Kelly green, so this green is the perfect green. This year, my hutch is the non-traditional colors of pink and green. And the reason why I did them these colors is because I was so ready for spring and I love pink. So I was inspired by some of the pictures that I saw on Instagram, and I was like, I'm going to do a pink and green hutch. So at the very top of this hutch, I have my home birdhouses. Don't ask me why, I just wanted them. And I added this lucky sign from Joann's. This is the first shelf of my hutch, so I'm just gonna let you watch and see the very details of each part of my hutch and just enjoy the music and leave any questions below that you may have. I hope you guys are enjoying the tour. Leave comments down below for any questions about any particular items that you may have. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for continuing to support me in my other videos. Please like and subscribe. Of course, it's free, and you have a wonderful, 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 blessed day. Thank you. Bye-bye.